Do you also feel like learning English is an impossible task? Have you tried many times but always lost motivation after a few days? If yes, then this video is for you because today I'm going to reveal the secret formula to learn English 10x faster. And no, these are not random tips. This is a step-by-step master plan that can make you fluent in just 3 months. So friends, if you are looking for the real shortcut to learning English, then watch this video till the end. I promise you won't find these techniques anywhere else. So let's get started. So part 1, number 1, what you have to do and how you can follow the techniques and you try it. So the first step is to understand the real problem. Why are you not able to learn English? It's because you are using the wrong method. So what is the wrong method? Wrong method is memorizing grammar rules without practice, and I think you are memorizing grammar rules and you are not doing practice, so this is a wrong method. And learning random words without understanding them, you are not understanding any words but you are learning, and translating every sentence from your native language and focusing only on writing and ignoring speaking practice. So speaking practice is more important. So if you are making this mistake, stop right now. And then what is the right approach? So learn English the way a child learns their first language. How child learn their first language, like by listening, speaking and naturally absorbing it, because they absorb it. So how you can absorb it? You can watch a video like your native language or other countries' language, like American English, there are English also, so you can learn from there and you can absorb how they are speaking, how their tongue twister. Now let's talk about the secret formula to learn English 10x faster. This formula has 5 key steps. Follow each one and you will see massive improvement in your English skills. The first step to learning English more than faster is listening. Watch English movies and TV shows. You can watch with and without subtitles. For example, you can watch Friends, The Big Bang Theory, Harry Potter. You can listen to English podcasts and audiobooks, for example, the daily news or TEDx talks, the English we speak. Like you can watch or see. Spend at least 30 minutes daily listening to English content. So guys, if you don't understand a sentence, focus on the context, not word-to-word translation. What is step number 2? Think in English and start speaking. To speak fluently, you must stop translating in your head. Start with simple thoughts in English, as like sentences, I am getting late today or I feel hungry. And you can do also mirror practice because it's very important. So speak English in front of a mirror for 5 to 10 minutes daily. And self-talk. What is self-talk? Talk to yourself in English about your daily routine, because it's very important. If you talk about your daily routine, so you can understand how I'm speaking English, what I have to learn, word to word, daily to daily word. And begin with short sentences, then gradually move to complex ones. Now let's talk about step number 3. Learn the most important 1000 words. What is this? To speak fluently, you don't need thousands of words. You just need the most common 1000 words. So how to do it? Learn 5 to 10 new words daily and focus on frequently used words and phrases. And you can also learn words with context, not just definitions. For example, I think you guys learn eloquent means well spoken. No, it's wrong way. You have to learn he gave an eloquent speech at the function. This is the right way. So use flashcards or apps like Anki, Quizlet to memorize words easily. And step number 4 is use reading and writing smartly. Improve your English, you must read and write daily. Read at least 10 to 15 minutes daily and start with easy books, The Alchemist, Harry Potter, Atomic Habits. These books you can read daily to daily 10 to 15 minutes. And read news articles like BBC, The Hindu, Times of India, and start writing simple sentences. And next step is keep a daily journal in English. And you can do also one thing, post on social media in English. You can read it in English, and if you are posting anything, so post in English. So don't worry about grammar mistake when writing, just start. You will improve over time. 5 is find a speaking partner and practice. To learn English 10x faster, you must speak it daily. You just have to practice and speak. So find a speaking partner. You can find friend, online partner, a chatbot, etc. like ChatGPT, and talk in English for at least 10 minutes daily. And don't be afraid of making mistakes. That's how you learn. Join online English speaking groups or Telegram, WhatsApp or Facebook to find practice partner. As if you follow these 5 steps consistently, your English will improve fast. So listen, absorb and think in English and practice speaking every day. Learn important words and phrases. Read, write and apply what you learn. Find a conversation partner and talk daily. Found this video helpful? Hit the like button, comment below which step you struggle with the most and subscribe for more amazing tips. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.